What's up guys, Tech here, and 2017 was a great year. We got a lot of DIY projects, we reviewed some great tech. Why don't we take a quick flashback and look through everything that we did. So wow, yeah, we definitely covered a lot of stuff this year. 2017 was a great year and 2018 is gonna be even better. So make sure you are subscribed, just smack that subscribe button. Join the A-Team guys, join the family. 2018, I guarantee better projects, bigger projects. We're gonna have a lot of things going on and you're definitely gonna wanna be a part of it. So I will see you guys next year and Happy New Year's guys.